In the intricate world of aerospace manufacturing, details matter. But what if the fine print on your engineering drawings isn't enough? Traditional drawings provide the what, but the how, when, and why often remain unanswered, leading to endless emails, revisions, and delays. Enter SyncFab's standardized RFQ form, the game changer in streamlining your RFQ to PO fulfillment workflow. No more ambiguity on material specifics, delivery timelines, or compliance needs. Every critical detail, from prototypes to quality control, is addressed up front. With SyncFab, you benefit from faster lead times, as suppliers get all the information they need, fewer errors, with a reduced need for back-and-forth clarifications, compliance assurance, ensuring each part meets the highest aerospace standards. Imagine your manufacturing process as streamlined as a flight in the clear skies. SyncFab, transforming your RFQs into precision parts effortlessly.